So it's been a while since I've gone live in here. Okay, well, first off, if you're watching this part, you're probably watching the replay, so comment replay down below. I'm gonna knock out the updates first, and then we're gonna jump into the Amaze Box unboxing. This one is big, like it is bigger and heavier than any of the other boxes I've gotten. Like this is like typically the size of the Amaze Box, and January's is like big. So we'll see what's in there. So Limelife's birthday is early February, and they're releasing some really cool limited edition birthday stuff. I haven't posted anything about it yet. We just found out what we're getting for Limelife's birthday, and it's really good. I can tell you it's really good. If you want to know what it is, or if you want to get in on the bulk order to get some of these goodies, comment with some birthday emojis or gifts or whatever the heck you want down below, and I will tell you and give you a little sneak peek of what's coming before I post it to everybody. And if you want to be one of the first to get some of this stuff, let me know, because it's like a limited quantity of one, I believe, per beauty guide for each thing. So anyway, now that that's out of the way, I'm gonna dive into this unboxing. And I didn't cheat, it's literally still sealed. So let's get into it. Okay, and if you are just jumping on to see the Amaze Box unbox, like literally, this is the size of the regular Amaze Box, and this is the one that you're getting for January. So it's big. And you can still order the January box all the way through January 31st. So just make sure if you want this box, then get in on it now. Otherwise, you're gonna be getting the February one, okay? So spoiler alert, opening the box. If you haven't gotten your box yet, stop watching now, okay? Unless you wanna know. But I like to keep my surprises. Okay, so got all the paper stuff at the top. All right, little card. It says, tomorrow is the first blank page of a 365 page book. Write a good one. And that's a quote from Brad Paisley. They put fun stickers in there. That's just a 2020 sticker. And then, okay, so there's like motivational and life stuff. So this is a card that says, New Year, New Beginnings. Reflect on the things that you accomplished in 2019. List 3 things that made you grateful, or that you are grateful for in 2019. Hello, I can read. And what 3 things do you hope to accomplish in 2020? So I am gonna write this down, especially the goals part, because we all know that if you write down your goals, then you're more likely to achieve them than if you don't. Okay, so now we're getting into the good stuff. There is a card that says what everything is, but I'll go over that last. Okay, so let's get into it. We'll dive into the box together. Okay, this smells so good. This is one of our Pom Bombs. I have tried most of the ones that we made. This is the, this is the lavender one. This is really good. I'm probably gonna save that one for my kids, because lavender before bedtime, yeah, I'm about that. Okay, let's see. Ooh, this is a really good gloss. I already have one, but it actually just ran out. This is a mini of our Bliss gloss. It's orange in the tube, but I promise it's not orange on lips. So super excited to get that in. Okay. Seriously, this is like everything. I need this. Okay, this is our blender full. If you don't already have one or don't know what it is our beauty blender. It comes in this really cute box, which I always reuse because I'm the type of person that can't throw anything away. So I save it and I repurpose it. It comes in a little holder, which first of all is magnetic. Okay, so there's that. This little bouncy blender. I love this. Like, it's my favorite blender ever. It is really soft, and this is, I mean, obviously dry. Once it's wet, it's gonna be a lot bigger and even softer, but okay. I got this blender literally last March, and it didn't even show signs that it was getting old at all until like 6 months in. So I mean, that's like a pretty solid lifespan for a beauty blender. I've been stretching it the last few months, but thank goodness I have a new one. So that's really exciting. I love the case too because it's mesh so that your blender dries and it doesn't get like, you know, gross smelling, but it's also not gonna get all dusty and get all the yuck from your desk or your bathroom counter on it. So excited about that. And there's one more thing in here. Okay, we got Raining Zen lotion. This I am so excited for because we live in Houston or just outside of Houston, and mosquitoes are a thing. I mean, I guess anywhere in Texas or the South, mosquitoes are a thing. So this lotion has white tea and lemongrass. Lemongrass, we know, is, what are the words I'm looking for? Oh, a natural mosquito repellent. So I'm gonna put some of this on actually. Okay, so it smells really good and it absorbs in really quick, which is why I really love it. And it's really light, like it's gonna keep those mosquitoes away and not smell like a bug spray, you know what I'm talking about? So I'm super excited for this. I'm gonna go over that little card that comes in the box that kind of breaks down everything that's in it. The whole Amaze box is $38. It ships for free, which is awesome. Normally our shipping is $58, and so you're getting the box for, you know, free shipping. Our shipping's not $58. Our shipping is $4.99, but you know what I mean, when you have to spend $58 to get free shipping. Anyway, that's not the point. You get the box shipped free, which is really awesome. And then anything that you want to add on your first box subscription also ships free too. So let's see, this is everything that comes in there. So we have the lotion, that's this guy right here. That is normally $34, so that's almost the price of the box just in this bottle right here. The Pom Balm is 12. Yeah, that's 12. This has 15 drops of our One Drop Wonder in each ball too. If you don't have One Drop Wonder, or if you don't know what it is our pure cold pressed Palmifero oil, which is extremely hydrating. And that's why I really, really love it in a bath bomb, because it just makes your skin feels so good and hydrated after the bath. So this is a really fun bath bomb that's fizzy and isn't gonna like dry you out. So I'm gonna save that. I'm super excited to add that to our collection of bath bombs. And then the Blenderful. So this is it dry. Obviously it gets a lot bigger when you wet it. This is normally $22, so that's a really good value added to the box too. I just had to show you the difference when you wet it, okay? This is my old one, okay? I've had it almost an entire year. I finally got a replacement and I wet it so you guys can see. This is the size, whoop, one more time. This is the size difference between one that is not wet and then this one I just wet. Like, what? Look at that. That's the difference between them. Like, it gets so big and fluffy, super bouncy, perfect for applying your foundation, and you can just bounce, bounce, bounce it on your face. I'm so excited to have a new one, but anyway, Just wanted to show you the difference between dry and moistened. Love it. And then we have a mini of our lip gloss. This is Bliss. It's not orange, I promise. It goes on clear. What I really like to do is actually wear our dark nude liner. I'll line my lips in dark nude and like fill in a little bit, and then I'll go over with Bliss gloss, and that's a really nice, just neutral nude lip. So anyway, I'm super excited. I hope you guys liked this unboxing. I cannot wait to see what they are going to come up with for February. I don't know what it is in advance. We get surprised by them just along with you guys. So my box just came in today and I'm really loving everything that I got. And praise, I really needed this blender full. So anyway, thanks for watching and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.